Hi everybody, welcome to my class, and this is just a little bit longer of an introduction about myself. So first off, I'm from Wilmington, North Carolina. This is a picture of Carolina Beach, North Carolina, which I grew up in between Wilmington and Carolina Beach, but this was my home for the first 22 years of my life. I loved every second of it. I love the ocean, and I miss it a lot. But I'm so happy to be here in Blythewood. And just to clarify, this is done chronologically. When my husband saw this, he was mad the dog came before him, but she came before him in my life. I graduated from UNCW with a BFA in creative writing with a focus in fiction. And then I went right back to school. I had about a 2-week break and got my master's in secondary education with a focus in English. This is my dog, Minnie. She's precious. You will hear her in a lot of our talks probably because she's loud and she barks. I started out my teaching career at Southern Lee High School. I taught 2 years there. I mainly taught seniors, but I also taught some freshmen and some composition classes. I moved to Millbrook High School because dollar bills, just kidding, teacher life. But I wanted to work in a bigger town, so I moved to Raleigh and worked at Millbrook. I taught at-risk freshmen and blended freshmen, so it was honors and on level at the same time. I learned a whole lot there. And now I'm here at Blythewood. This is my 6th year at Blythewood, I believe. And I'm just so excited to be starting with you guys. And I moved to Blythewood because this is where my husband lives. And I love it so much. We bought a house a couple years ago, and we love the area. This is my little boy. He's not this little anymore, but every year I add to it. This is him now. He's ginormous and he has so many curls, but you'll see him pop in and out of our videos too. And I hope I get to see all of you guys and learn about you soon.